All right. Feet together, hands down by your sides. Ready? Shoryu, Kenai. Tenets of Taekwondo begin. Courtesy, humility, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Kenai. All right, thank you for coming for today's graduation. It's good to see you here today. We will start with your demonstration. First part of your demonstration will be your pattern Hwarang with proper technique, power, and focus. All right, take 3 big steps back. 1 big step off to your right. All right, be Hwarang, my count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2, look. 3. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1. Go. Hey. Ready. 1, 2. 3. Look. 4. Back to ready. Okay. All right, back to your place. All right, the next skill will be your sliding elbow strike. You will need your helper for this. All right. Now, would you get your helper one of the threads?
Yes, sir.
There you go. All right, helper, let's have you with the back side of the square facing forward toward the mirror. So left foot out in front, sliding elbow strike. You can move the yellow circle out of the way if you need to. All right, ready? 1. Now you're striking with your right arm on this. So you're going to turn as you slide. 2. There you go. Move back a little bit. Give yourself a little more room. 3. 4. 5. All right, one more. As fast and as hard as you can now. Go. All right. Right foot out in front using your left arm. 1. 2. 3. 4. Switch feet. 5. All right, now one more, as fast and as hard as you can. Switch feet. Go. Very good. Face your helper. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and put the thread back up. Face me. Okay. Did Ariana come on? All right, bow Kumitachi. Now we're going to be working diagonally across the floor today. I can count us through this, or we can do it without a count. Which would you want to do?
Count.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Right over here. One step, number 6. I will do the attack. Ski coming for us. You're going to do the defense. When you're ready, tell me to attack.
Attack.
Strike up, strike down, thrust.
Attack.
Again.
Attack.
All right, we're going to go one more time. This time, no attack command. Very good. Give your bow to your helper. All right. Which arm are you going to break?
Left.
All right. Then go ahead. Put the other foot out. Move in nice and quick. Just take a few lamps. When you're ready, go ahead and bow. Bow in first. Set back up. Take one more hand. Just touch. Now as fast and as hard as you can. There you go. Face me. Get it. Good job. Go ahead and give your broken boards to your helper. Presentation. Advancing from the rank of senior yellow belt to the rank of green belt, Leo Moyers. Leo.
Thank you.
Fine job. Well done. Good. Now, into the middle of the square. Right here. Turn that way. Hold up your belt and your certificate rank. Let everybody see. All right, very good. Good job. Go ahead and give those to your helper. Right back into the middle. Face me. Thank you for coming for today's graduation. It's good to see you here. You put a lot of time and effort into learning these skills and into polishing and refining them, getting really good with them over the past several weeks. It showed at your promotion exam, and it showed today at your graduation demonstration. So I'm very proud of the job you've done. Congratulations again on earning your new rank. All right, let's go ahead and bow out. Ready? Sharyu Kene. Student oath begin. I pledge to be a champion of freedom and justice. I pledge to observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I pledge to respect my instructors and my fellow students. I pledge never to misuse Taekwondo. I pledge to build a more peaceful world. All right. Thank you very much again for coming today, Leah. Congratulations on your new rank. Good. All right, face me, and this graduation is now concluded. Go ahead and shift out.